Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to convert meters to feet and inches in Excel. Have you ever received measurements in meters and needed to quickly convert them to feet and inches in Excel? Maybe you're working on a design project, analyzing data, or just need a handy converter for various tasks. Whatever the reason, this video is for you. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through a simple yet effective method using Excel formulas. We'll break down the process step by step, so even if you're not an Excel expert, you'll be able to follow along. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Rome Tech for more Excel tips and tricks. Let's get started. Okay, let's jump right into it. First, open up your Excel spreadsheet. I've already created a simple column here labeled meters, with some sample measurements. Our goal is to create two more columns, one for feet and one for inches. Show the spreadsheet with the meters column and empty feet and inches columns. Now, in the first cell under the feet column, we're going to enter our formula. Excel doesn't have a direct function for this conversion, so we need to combine a couple of functions. The first thing we need to do is convert meters to feet. And we know that 1 meter is equal to approximately 3.28084 feet. So let's type this formula, equals int A2 asterisk 3.28084. Explain A2 refers to the cell containing the meter value. The int function here rounds the result down to the nearest whole number. This gives us the whole number of feet. Press Enter. Show the formula being entered in the cell and the result appearing in the feet column. Great. Now for the inches column, we need to calculate the remaining decimal part of the feet into inches. Here's the formula for that. Sadface A2 asterisk 3.28084 B2 asterisk 12. Explain A2 refers to the meter value and B2 refers to the feet value we just calculated. Let's break this down. A2 asterisk 3.28084 converts meters to feet again. B2 is the whole number of feet we just calculated. By subtracting them, we get the decimal portion of the feet. Finally, we multiply by 12 to convert that decimal portion of feet into inches. Type this formula into the first cell under the inches column and press Enter. Show the formula being entered and the result appearing in the inches column. You'll probably see a decimal number in the inches column. If you want, you can round this off to the nearest whole number or a specific number of decimal places using the round function. For example, to round to 2 decimal places, you would use this formula, equals round, A2 asterisk 3.28084 B2, asterisk 12 2. Show the formula being entered and the updated result. Now to apply these formulas to the rest of your measurements, simply click on the bottom right corner of each cell, where the little square is, and drag it down to the last row containing your meter values. Demonstrate dragging the formulas down the columns. And there you have it. Excel has automatically calculated the feet and inches for each measurement in your meters column. This method is quick, accurate, and easily repeatable for any number of measurements. You can now confidently convert meters to feet and inches within Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tech for more useful Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.